All right, let's dive right into a big one. We're putting two of the most popular health insurance plans in the country head to head. It's the insurance showdown, HDFC ERGO's Optima Secure versus Aditya Birla's Activ One Max. You know, trying to pick the right health insurance policy can feel, well, impossible. The paperwork is confusing, the features all sound the same, and honestly, the stakes are incredibly high. We totally get it, and that is exactly why we're here today, to cut through all that noise for you. So, in one corner, you've got the tried-and-true champion HDFC ERGO with its blockbuster plan Optima Secure. And in the other corner, you have the innovative powerhouse Aditya Birla with their super flexible Activ One Max. Now, our goal today isn't to just crown one winner. It's to help you figure out which one of these is the right champion for your family. To really get what makes these two plans tick, you've got to look beyond the marketing slogans and see what they're truly built on. They actually have two completely different philosophies when it comes to protecting you. This right here, this is the key to the whole thing. HDFC ERGO is all about giving you a huge advantage right out of the gate. Think of it like getting a massive head start in a race. Aditya Birla, on the other hand, is built for the marathon. It's designed to be an unbreakable safety net that keeps you going no matter what a year throws at you. So let's talk about HDFC ERGO's killer feature, the Secure benefit. It's simple, but it's powerful. The second you buy the policy, your base coverage is instantly doubled. A 10 lakh policy immediately acts like a 20 lakh policy. No waiting period, no strings attached. That is what we mean by immediate power. And here's Aditya Birla's answer to that. Their big play is the Super Reload feature, and it offers something pretty incredible. Unlimited restorations of your coverage. So if you have a really bad year with multiple hospitalizations, this feature is designed to be that ultimate safety net, refilling your policy over and over and over again. Okay, so we've seen the big picture ideas. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty and see how those philosophies play out in the actual features. We're going to put them side by side so you can see exactly where each one pulls ahead. This table really just lays it all out, doesn't it? You can see the trade-offs clear as day. Aditya Birla gives you that unlimited restoration and a mind-blowing potential for your coverage to grow up to 6 times your original amount. But then you look at HDFC ERGO, and they come back with a significantly larger hospital network and a top-tier claim settlement ratio. That speaks volumes about their sheer scale and reliability. Let's really zero in on this restoration feature, because it's a huge deal. With HDFC ERGO, you get one full reset of your coverage every year after you've used it up. It's straightforward, it's solid. Aditya Birla's approach, though, is the real game changer for a worst-case scenario. After your base coverage is gone, it's ready to restore your Sum Insured an unlimited number of times for any other claims, for anyone in the family, for any illness. This is the very heart of their long-term resilience promise. All right, enough with the theory. Let's put these policies to the test. We're going to run them through a real-world crisis scenario to see how they hold up when a family has a year from hell. So, picture this. A family of 4, they have a 15 lakh policy. In March, they get hit with a major medical event, a cardiac surgery that costs 12 lakh rupees. Just a few months later, disaster strikes again. An accident, and the treatment costs another 8 lakh rupees. This is exactly the kind of year health insurance is for. Okay, so let's see how HDFC ERGO handles this. The first claim of 12 lakh gets paid, leaving 3 lakh in their original policy. Simple enough. Now, when that second claim for 8 lakh comes in, the remaining 3 lakh from the base policy is used up first. At this point, the single restoration benefit kicks in, restoring the full 15 lakh. But here's the catch. That restored amount is for future claims. It doesn't retroactively cover the rest of the current claim. This means the family is left paying that 5 lakh difference out of their own pocket. Now, let's run the same scenario with Aditya Birla. The first 12 lakh claim is paid, again leaving 3 lakh. But when that second 8 lakh claim hits, their unlimited restoration benefit kicks in. It completely refills the Sum Insured, and that 8 lakh bill is fully covered. No problem, no questions asked. And this is where the rubber meets the road. In this tough, multi-claim year, the family with HDFC ERGO is facing a 5 lakh bill. The family with Aditya Birla pays 0. This stress test shows you the incredible power of that unlimited feature when things really, truly go wrong. So after seeing that, you might be thinking one plan is the clear winner. But hold on, the real question isn't which plan is better in a vacuum, but which one is built for your life. So let's create a couple of quick profiles to help you find your perfect match. You should probably be looking at HDFC ERGO Optima Secure.
if you want that immediate, no-fuss value. If you're a young family, maybe with low health risks, having your coverage instantly doubled from day one is just fantastic peace of mind. And if you live outside a major metro, that massive network of over 15,000 hospitals is a huge, huge advantage.
Now, Aditya Birla Activ One Max becomes your champion if you're planning for the absolute worst-case scenario. If you have a larger family, maybe you're covering your parents, or if anyone has a chronic condition, that unlimited restoration is basically a must-have. This is the plan for people who want the ultimate safety net and are willing to pay a bit more for that total flexibility. So there you have it. We've looked at the philosophies, we've compared the features, and we've put them through the ringer. Now it all comes down to the final decision. And remember, it's not about finding the best plan on paper, but the one that fits your family's story. Hey, don't just take our word for it. Industry experts at Algates Insurance have looked at this, and they see a pretty clear split. For most people, maybe 70% of buyers, the immediate 2x benefit, the huge network, and the sheer reliability of HDFC ERGO just makes more sense. But for that other 30% who really need that unlimited backstop, Aditya Birla is the undisputed winner. So it all boils down to this one question. What is more important for securing your family's future? Is it the immediate power of having double your coverage from the moment you start? Or is it the long-term resilience of knowing your policy can withstand anything, no matter how many times you need it in a year? The choice is yours.